Hi everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Today we will see a high protein, low carb keto recipe, and it's broccoli and mushroom frittata, which is not just quick and easy to make but also taste amazing. So friends, let's get started with this interesting recipe. And here I have taken some broccoli cut into medium sized florets like this, and I have blanched them so they are almost 50 to 60% cooked. And here are some button mushrooms sliced into half. Next we will break few eggs in a bowl. I'll be using 3 eggs as I'll be making the frittata in a medium sized pan, but if you're using a larger pan then you can use 5 to 6 eggs. We'll add some milk to make the egg mixture more fluffy. For seasoning goes some salt as per taste and a pinch of black pepper. Then goes some chopped onions as well as the green part of spring onions. We'll now whisk the eggs well so that all the ingredients are well combined. So this is done, and now we shall start with the cooking process. For that we'll heat a teaspoon of olive oil in a non-stick pan. We'll brush the oil on all the sides of the pan, and when the pan is hot enough we will first add the sliced mushrooms, and on medium flame we will stir fry them until they turn golden brown in color. And as the mushroom changes its color, we will add the blanched broccoli florets and we'll saute them for a few seconds. We'll now season the broccoli and mushrooms with some salt as per taste, a pinch of black pepper and some mixed herbs. We'll now stir this well so that the seasonings are well combined with the broccoli and mushrooms. And now time to spread the egg mixture evenly over the broccoli and mushrooms. I'm now adding on top some diced cheese, which is completely optional. If you want you can add, otherwise you can skip it. And now we will cover and cook the frittata on low flame for about 2 minutes or until it's firm from top. And after about 2 minutes we will remove the lid and check the frittata once. So you can see the frittata is well cooked by now and the top portion has become firm. Next we'll place a plate over the pan and turn the pan upside down like this. Now in the same pan we will drizzle a few drops of oil so as to fry the other side. We'll brush the oil on all the sides of the pan. And now we will gently slide the frittata into the pan and fry for another 2 minutes or so, or until it's brown in color. It's almost 2 minutes. Let's check the frittata once. And it's cooked well from both the sides, so I will turn off the flame and arrange it in a serving plate. And here goes our broccoli mushroom frittata, which I will garnish it with some spring onions on top. And friends, this broccoli mushroom frittata is so very quick and easy to make, and is an ideal recipe when you are tired or lazy to cook a filling as well as a healthy breakfast or dinner for yourself and your family. So friends, I hope you will try this high protein, low carb mushroom and broccoli frittata. Also subscribe to my channel for more interesting recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.